Hello there and welcome to 11 plus nonverbal reasoning mock test 3. Let's have a look at this question. So there are two figures shown below that are alike. On the right there are 5 more figures. One of these is most like the two figures on the left. Then choose the correct option. So let's have a look at this example first of all. So on the left hand side we've got two figures. Now these two figures on the left hand side, first one is a square and the second one is a rectangle. So out of these 5 options on the right, which figure is similar to the figure on the two figures on the left? So the answer in this case is going to be C, because we've got a small square and this particular square has straight sides, it has 4 sides, and it matches the two shapes on the left hand side. So moving down to question number 1. As we can see here, we've got the first figure is kind of like a round circular type of long shape with a black dot on one side of the shape. The second figure we can see, excuse me, is also a circular type of shape with two straight sides, and it has a black dot on the end of the particular shape as well. So now we've got 5 particular figures here, and we need to determine which one is going to be the correct answer. Now we've got shape A, B, C, D, and E. Shape A and D do not have any circles in the shapes at all, so we can just discount them completely. Shape E and shape C have 2 circles, but those 2 circles are just plain circles and they're not dark circles. And shape B is another type of slightly circular type of shape, but at the same time it actually has a black circle in the middle. So I would go with B as the answer in this option. So you've got 22 questions in nonverbal reasoning mock test 3. Good luck with this and try your best. Thank you.